Imagine waking up tomorrow and realizing you don't need your 9 to 5 to survive. Your bank account is growing, even while you sleep, and you're finally free to live on your terms. But here's the truth: if you're still relying on one stream of income in 2025, you're one emergency away from financial disaster. So here's the question: are you building wealth or just surviving paycheck to paycheck, hoping something magically changes? Today, I'm going to show you proven side hustle tips that are helping everyday people, just like you, build real wealth. These aren't your generic start a blog tips. These are high ROI strategies that work now, and they work fast. But stay till the end, because the last tip isn't just profitable, it's scalable and future-proof. Let's dive in. Right now, the average 20-something is juggling rent, debt, bills, and rising prices all on one income. That's like trying to fill a bucket with a single drop while it's leaking from 5 holes. Here's a stat that should scare you. Over 64% of millennials and Gen Z live paycheck to paycheck. And it's not because they're lazy, it's because the economy is rigged for those who leverage their time and money, not those who trade it. And let's be real, DoorDash can't save you from financial ruin unless you're delivering cash to your own vault. 1. High-ticket freelancing. Don't freelance your time, freelance your skill. Whether it's graphic design, writing, or coding, package your skill for premium clients. Charge $500 plus per gig by focusing on value, not hours. And if you don't have a skill, stick around. I'll show you how to borrow one and still get paid. 2. Digital product. Hustle. Create once. Sell forever. From resume templates to Notion dashboards, people are making $5,000 a month selling simple products on Etsy and Gumroad. You don't need a huge audience. Just solve a specific problem. Some people are literally selling AI-generated coloring books, and you're still overthinking your idea. 3. Drop servicing. Find a service people want. Hire someone else to do it. Keep the profit. You become the middleman, and the margins are wild. Example: web design for $1,500. Pay a freelancer $500. Profit: $1,000. But how do you get clients without being salesy or tech savvy? That's coming in 60 seconds. 4. Affiliate income via micro content. No, you don't need a huge following to make passive money. Just a phone, a face, optional, and a product that solves a pain point. People are making $1,000 a week with Amazon or ClickBank links from simple 15-second videos. Pro tip: use trending audios plus quick product demos. Passive income isn't magic, it's math. And speaking of leverage, checkmark 5, newsletter arbitrage. Start a simple niche newsletter, build trust, then sell sponsorships. You can make $100 to $500 per ad slot with as little as 500 to 1,000 subscribers. Talk about productivity hacks, remote jobs, or budgeting tips. People pay for attention. And if you're thinking, but I'm not a writer, I'll show you how AI does 80% of the work. 6. Bonus. Skill flipping. Learn a money-making skill in 30 days. Sell it for the next 30 years. From AI video editing to personal finance coaching. You can start free, learn on YouTube or Udemy, and earn fast. Wealth doesn't come from waiting. It comes from stacking wins, one smart move at a time. Start with one hustle, master it, then reinvest into the next. That's how ordinary people build extraordinary wealth. Here's what I want you to remember. Your time is valuable, but your leverage is priceless. If your money isn't working for you, you're still working for money. You don't need luck, you need a strategy. And if you're serious about stacking cash and escaping the rat race, check out my next video, New Business Ideas for 2025 that no one is talking about. These ideas are future-proof, untapped, and shockingly profitable.